just to show you how that works again, I'll just write one of my points down. For Atlanta, how many miles, what was the distance? For Atlanta, what was the distance? So I do, for X, I put 0.117 times 576 plus 83.267. So I would do that. And I get 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and round. Let's just do to the nearest dollar, only because do you see how that's what they did here? Don't they have? They don't have cents here, correct? Okay, so let's round to the nearest dollar. Would we call that $151, right? All right, so you 3 rows are going to do through Denver. Megan's row and Devin's row and Will's row, you are going to do Miami through St. Louis, okay? And then we'll share our answers. All right. Did we get through Denver? Okay. Would somebody mind sharing for me what you got for Boston when you put 370 in for X? Go ahead. You did Boston? Oh, weren't you in my other group? 127? Somebody confirm that? Okay, good. I just want to make sure we double check so we don't make mistakes. How about Chicago? What'd you get, Carter, for Chicago? 155. Dallas, Fort Worth, Arian? 226. Yeah. Aubrey, what'd you get for Detroit? 131. Oh, lots of Aubrey, sorry. 131. Okay. And Ethan, Denver? Okay. All right. Miracelli, Miami? 193.9 you said?
Yeah.
So I'm going to call that 194. Okay. What about Lily for New Orleans? 200. Devin, what about New York? Didn't do it well. Did you get New York? Okay. Diana, Orlando? Okay, Donovan, what'd you get for Orlando?
Orlando, 175.
Okay. Jimmy, what'd you get for Pittsburgh? Ian or Megan, did you get Pittsburgh yet?
I got 108.
108. All right, and then Donovan, what about St. Louis? Okay, was it 170 or 169? 169. I know. I think it was less than a 0.5. Yep. So it should run down. Okay, is it the end of the world if you make that rounding mistake? No, it's not. All right, now, good. Thank you for your help. Let's do these together. So when we do our residual then, don't make the mistake of subtracting in the wrong order. And if you have to go back, that's fine. The residual is always the observed, and the observed is the actual data that's already here. So this is the observed in this column, and this is the predicted in this column. So to find the residual, we are going to take this column minus that column. So observed minus predicted. So you remember what we did. All right, let's do that. What is 178 minus 151? 27. What is 138 minus 127? Okay, how about 94 minus 155? And then 278 minus 226. Positive 52? No? Yes. 158 minus 131. 258 minus 259. 198 minus 194. 4. 188 minus 100. Negative 12. 98 minus 105. 179 minus 175. 138 minus 108. And then 98 minus 169. Negative 71, right? All right, so let's then, so we calculated the expected prices, that's right there. We calculated the residuals, that's right there. Using the coordinate plane below, we're going to graph the residuals versus the independent variable. And so the independent variable is distance, so we're going to make sure we put the distance on our x-axis. That's what I had highlighted in blue. And then we're going to go all the way over to this residual column, and that's what I'm checking to see if it's a scattered graph or if it's a pattern graph. That's what I'm checking for. All right, so looks like I have kind of a wide range here. So I go from negative 70 all the way to, what's the highest thing I think I see, like a 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up by tens, okay? All right, now how about for the distance? If I didn't want to break the graph, would 100s work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, they probably would, wouldn't they? Yeah. You could break the graph if you wanted to and spread them out more, okay? But 100s will work. So I'm going to just go ahead and write 100 here so I realize that's my scale. 200, 300, and so on. Let's see, looks like I go up to 1500. Okay, now be careful. Make sure that we're graphing this last column, okay? Okay, you have to look at the first and the last. So then I start plotting these. 576.27. They don't have to be perfect. 370.11. 612, negative 61. 1,216 and 52. 409 and 27. 1,502 and negative 1. 946 and 4. 998 and negative 12. 189 and negative 7. 787 and 4. 210 and 30. 737 and negative 71. Okay. I don't know what I would like us to do for 5 instead, is we're not going to do a residual plot on our graphing calculators. I'm not going to teach you how to do that. We're going to just talk about a second. I would like us to look at our scatter plot too. But let's take a look and tell me what you think then about this line that we wrote. What is this residual plot? Tell me. This is a scattered residual plot. What does that tell me about a line? A good fit for the data, yeah.